Welcome back to the AZ Online Car Show, where we are coming to you from just north of the town of Cave Creek. We are on the backside of Bartlett Lake, and we just thought to do a little video up here and give you guys a little tour of one of the hidden places in Arizona, and as well as show you guys my car and what I drive. Why not come for a walk, you say, and get going? All right, we are just outside the town of Cave Creek, which is just north and east of Scottsdale and Carefree. We're on the backside of where Bartlett Lake is. There's some other lakes in the area, like Roosevelt and Saguaro. We're just outside of that. This road leads back up to Phoenix and Scottsdale and all that. We're on National Forest Road 24, which is also Cave Creek Road. A lot of people go shooting over here, which is strongly prohibited. A lot of people go through here. They go off-roading. All up through here. Look how beautiful it is. Perfect place to go off-roading. Lots of people go through off-roading here. And I believe this road is paved for like 11 miles or so. Then it gets really, really bad. Really, really muddy. And then after about 2 hours worth of driving on this road, after about 2 hours of driving on this road, you get back to I-17. So, and speaking of people driving, I thought I saw a truck back down this hill somewhere. Oh, there it is. At the very top of the hill. And he's gonna come back down here. And there he goes. I mean, this area is very, very remote. A lot of people go camping through here. And there's our buddy. And watch him go by. I mean, we're gonna go further up this hill right here. We're not gonna go too far. I mean, this is the perfect place to go and watch a sunset, right? I mean, a lot of you guys haven't seen this much greenery inside of Arizona before. This is also deep inside the Tonto National Forest. This sign states that there's road debris. Whenever this road floods, there's that. And I'm sure they have places for people to go camping further up this road and back through here. And there's some more people going camping up here. And very cool place to hang out. We're gonna go back down to the car. I mean, the sun sets in about an hour. Don't want to go too far here. And we're gonna make our way back and show you guys what I bought. So this is what I drive. It's a 2020 Ford Fusion Titanium. It is the last year of the Ford Fusion. The SE and SELs have the slotted grille. The Titanium has the mesh grille. Some models do come with the honeycomb grille as a aftermarket piece. We are in the process of ordering one. We will break it out on the channel when we get ours. Comes with a sunroof. You can see right there. Black leather interior. I apologize for all the bugs. There are a lot. We have 19-inch wheels. And this does come with all-wheel drive. We got a rear spoiler. And the sticker on the back is not included, from our friends at Obsessions Car Club in Tucson. You guys a side look. All the chrome that you can have. This comes with a 2-liter turbo with a 6-speed automatic, about 245 horsepower, 275 foot-pounds of torque on 93 blended gas. 91 is acceptable on the West Coast. You can run 87 out here, but it reduces it to about 230 horsepower. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to leave you with some more beauty here. I want to say thank you for watching the AZ Online Car Show. It's a little bit different video for you guys here today, but I hope you guys enjoy this nice greenery up in just outside of Phoenix. Thank you for watching the AZ Online Car Show. Have a wonderful day.